Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Google Cast on your Hisense TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to cast something from your laptop onto your Hisense TV. How do you actually go ahead and turn on Google Cast? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, you do want to make sure that the device that you're casting from and your Hisense TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. After you confirm that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network, click on Quick Settings. Then in the upper right-hand corner, click on All Settings. Then from here, scroll down to where it says System. Then scroll down again to where it says Cast. So this is where you can actually allow casting always, while casting or never. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on Google Cast on your Hisense TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.